Hello, my friends. So that I would like to demonstration the Java Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, and then this is the Eureka server. Previously, we have shown you how to do the Microsoft services, but currently we integrate with the Flutter and the React.js. And then this is we do the API call with the Flutter. So that this is the service 1, service 2, service 3, and then the gateway, and then the front end React.js, and then the Flutter. So that we integrate all of them together, so that you can see for the service one is which one is the React.js services. Means that this one for this one services means that the microservices API and then called by the React.js. And this is the API service one for the React.js. Service 2 is for the Flutter. So that is for this one. This one. So that basically service 3 is about again is API. I just a simple API only. Done. I think that's all. And then anything we do will call to the ELK. Yeah, ELK this one. Because we have a because we need to according to the microservices, we have a service register and then the distributed log services. Then Java Spring. The architecture will be similar like this. You can see we have a API gateway, configuration server, service register, and distributed logging. So that we have 3 microservices, right? So since that's the current situation, so that anything I miss out? The ELK, yeah. ELK, we have a ELK. We can discover means that in security, we means that in security subject, we learn the logging system. We need to monitoring the services. Once the services down or maybe hacked by the hacker, so that we can know that some user is doing some operation, so that the log system will, because you can see from the line Java Spring, like for example, maybe we controller in the controller, we do the, you can see inform one service one API is called by someone and then the time, so that we can track the activity in from the microservices through the ELK. Yeah. So that this one. So that right now currently is the time. Yeah, it's right now, right? So that I can refresh it. I guess it will like increasing. So I refresh this one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can see 15 count. So that this is how we track the activity. Yeah, I do one time, and then the ELK I using this one Docker, because it's quite easiest to set out. Because if you set out manually, because I set out manually before GitHub, or you can go to my GitHub to check out my how to set up manually, and then I think it's a long time ago set out. Next, I think long time ago. Next. Yeah, where? Let me check where is the ELK. First ELK start. Yeah, first ELK start. This is the how to manually set out the ELK. This here is the YouTube reference. So you can see this is the manually set out. And then if you want to see all the setup, you can using the Docker. Docker make it all easiest. So that after we refresh, then I think so. Not just like it's 18, right? I think we can increase, or the timestamp will like have 2 different block. I can see 18, 16, and now it's 3. So I think that's all for the presentation. I think this is how the front end, React.js, Flutter, Java Spring Cloud, all integrate together. I think that's all. Thank you. So I close the short recording. Yeah.